we're talking about Lyft and why they are fighting against a bill that is protecting drivers from deactivations. So that
What's up,
means,
Jeremy? What's up, Jeremy? We'll talk about this. We'll talk about this on the 28th. Get ready.
oh, that's
First of all, Jeremy, you said every quarter, Jeremy. It's been over a year. I don't know what's going on. You know.
Well,
But anyway,
David Richter also said he would come on again.
David goes like,
you
hell
know
no.
what he
To
did?
go on that
You know what
show,
he
there's
did?
no
He
way
said,
we're going.
"Oh, I'm going to block Chris."
Oh, are you still blocked?
Yeah, I think so.
Well,
I'm going to talk about when Jeremy. That's another thing we're going to clear up.
Oh, we're good. Yeah, sure. You remind me.
Probably off air though, so don't worry about that. Off air.
Okay. All right. So Lyft is protesting New York City Council bill on deactivating drivers, citing public safety concerns, Chris. Out of all.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So, all right, here we go. So there's a bill called Intro 276. Rideshare giant Lyft is protesting New York City Council bill that would prevent it from deactivating its drivers for any reason. What? Exactly, that's what happens. I get still 30 emails a week. Oh, I got deactivated for no reason. That is not a good thing, Lyft. I mean, seriously. I mean, I do grant Lyft and Uber that there are bad apples in the system. Okay? Not every driver should be on the Uber platform or Lyft platform. I agree on that. But willy-nilly getting rid of people because some a-hole passenger trying to get their $6 back said something, about the driver, and he went to some AI chatbot and said, "Oh, it said driver was drunk. Oh, it said driver was racist. Oh, it said driver touched my leg." All these things that, boom, you're gone. So Jerry Golden, I don't think I know Jerry. I think I know your boss, Jerry, though. Chief Policy Officer at Lyft, sent a scathing letter to city lawmakers on September 22nd, Chris.
Oh, you know what we're going to have to do? If you pass this, we might have to pull out of New York City altogether. Okay, bye.
Yeah, if this passes, we're going to leave.
Oh, okay, bye.
Yeah, that's never going to happen. So Jerry, I know a lot of people at Lyft. Jerry, you want to come on? You want to talk about this? Okay. Chief Policy Officer at Lyft sent a scathing letter to city lawmakers expressing the company's serious concern about Intro 276, a bill that would prohibit rideshare bigwigs from deactivating, essentially firing, for hire drivers without a just cause. What do you mean, Jerry? I mean, we have a saying in this country. What is that, Chris? Don't we say innocent until proven guilty?
Yeah.
No, in rideshare, we're
guilty until we feel like it's not. If we're gonna go back on our word.
Yeah, well, we don't do that. So it says Golden charged that the bill, as it is, undermines public safety and puts New Yorkers at risk.
I love how they always they find the spin. You know what they do?
Jerry?
Here's what they do now. This is what Jerry did. His golden rule is we're going to take the bill and then I'm going to put it in ChatGPT and then I'm going to say, hey, how can we spin this to make it so we're against it? And then that way we don't have to get it passed. And that's what ChatGPT spits out.
Yeah, I know.
It's going to put safety, public safety and New Yorkers at risk. Oh, okay. Go on the subway.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Wow. Is this Steph? I don't know what's going on with Steph. We may need to do another interview with you, Steph, because I know you like so much female to female driver thingamajiggy. Anyway, so New Yorkers at risk, especially since drivers know personal information about passengers, including pickup and drop-off points, that there are often places of residence or work. Oh, on a lost item, when you send a idiot to my house because they lost their phone, that's not okay. Oh, I got you, Jerry. Jerry, you're pissing me off, Jerry. Why don't you come on? Let's talk about this. He added the bill's 14-day notice period would prevent rideshare platforms from promptly removing drivers who have been reported as engaging in unsafe conduct. How about the same thing for the rider? How about that one? You have something like that for the rider, Jerry? No, I don't think so. As we know, Jerry,
the bills.
assaults are 50-50, Jerry. 50% from driver to rider and 50% from rider to driver, Jerry. Anyway, promptly removing drivers who have been reported engaging in unsafe conduct, which could be anything ranging from reckless driving to harassment. For example, he named in the letter, drivers reported for repeated unsafe driving, discrimination, or sexual harassment could be permitted to continue picking up passengers for over 2 weeks after their alleged offense, placing additional riders in harm's way. Okay, Jerry, you're just a corporate guy. For example, if a woman reports being sexually harassed by her driver under existing policies, Lyft, well, I think we can make an exception in this case. Maybe you should just change your algo a little bit. When
Here's
it says sexual harassment, definitely not deactivate, definitely suspend that account until a human at Lyft can do that investigation, Jerry. It's justified, but not for some.
You know what? I don't think that Uber and Lyft should be allowed to do investigations. I think it should be sent to a third party that they don't know who it's being sent to. So the party remains absolutely anonymous. And then that way they can't pay off to make sure that these things get deactivated just because or whatever reason. I think the third party needs to be investigating these types of things to actually see what's really going on. And if they're able to provide information like dash cam or audio footage, that they can go through that and say, okay, this is a legitimate concern and this driver is absolutely deactivated. Oh wait, no, nothing actually happened during this particular ride. And they gave 14 rides prior. And one person now said that they were driving drunk. Come on, Jerry.
Yeah, Jerry, we need to have a chat. We can do a Zoom privately first if you like, but this is bullshit, Jerry. This is bullshit. And then he says, however, this bill will compel Lyft to navigate new and complex justification processes to solicit additional information from the rider. Well, the fucking rider knows every goddamn thing about the driver except his or her underwear color, Jerry. What the F are you talking about here, man? Come on, bro. I mean, I got you. You're doing your job, but, come on, man. That's bullshit. So anyway, so Steph, when did your thing happen, by the way? I'm not sure. I think this is an old story, right? Are we talking about this old story? I don't know. Is this an old story or is this a new story? Saturday?
Damn.
We need to talk. And they deactivated you? You have some dash cam footage on this thing?
Oh, we know she's
Anyway, email me. Can you email me? Can you email me, please? Had a gun pulled on me. And they deactivated you? What the
I'd be pressing charges on them motherfuckers.
I didn't say that. Yeah.
Blah.
Wow. Okay, cool.
All right.
Can you email me? Email me, please. Thank you.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right. Drive smart, everyone.